All right. Here we are, Newport Dunes, and it's a Saturday, August 19 of 2017. It's a nice, really nice Saturday, all here, all weather, all day, and look at that little party going on here. That is all these white tents. I guess either it's a wedding or just a normal party, but we're getting drift here by the wind all the way to that bridge. Right behind that bridge is where all the motorboats are, yachts and all that kind of stuff. Butching is tired. She's been paddling all day. Now she's just sitting around the paddleboard.
Chilling.
Chilling?
Yeah.
All right, all right. Yeehaw. Where's everybody at? They're at the pool.
You're at the pool.
Okay. We're gonna be at the pool here pretty soon. So we've been out here in the ocean all day. But it's been a gorgeous day. It's been a nice Saturday. We'll do it again tomorrow. So take care. See ya.